This is a vintage Singer model 301A. Serial number is NB167648, which dates it to 1957. It was the last year production for the 301. The machine's in pretty good condition. There's some minor wear, light scratches on the bed. Chrome pieces are good, and it's been completely serviced, rebuilt motor, rebuilt pedal, everything. And it's in real good sewing condition. So basically I'm just going to show you how well it stitches. Got 4 layers of denim, which are already stitched once. And yeah, I also want to show you two. The light works, passes the tap test, all good connectors. All electrical connections we're going over internally to make sure they're all secured and in good condition. So here we go. See, it says pretty good. Slow and fast speeds, forward and reverse. And there you can see it's got a good stitch, and you have to do that at full speed. This way you get to see if it skips or breaks any stitches or threads, I mean. But there you have it. You can see, good stitch.